May kembot ako. Pumunta ako sa SM Podium to visit a little-known community library, inspiring more people to read. This is SM Book Nook, which is the brainchild of Shireen C. Punta ka lang dito para umupo, magbasa, libre lang. Malawak yung options nila. May fiction, non-fiction, may children's books, young adult, sci-fi, thrillers, romance, and history. Book Nook also has partnerships with the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, National Library of the Philippines, embassies, which ensures their collections are regularly refreshed. Pwede ka ring mag-donate ng books dito. If the books you donate meet certain conditions, you can swap them for other titles. I dropped by to donate 23 nonfiction books from my personal library. In exchange, I got to take home 3 NHCP publications na hindi ko pa nababasa. Babalik ako kapag naayos ko na yung fiction collection ko. Ang SM Book Nook ay hindi lang pioneering community library. Isa rin itong autism-inclusive workplace. SM Cares has always been progressive in creating disability-inclusive spaces, and when they wanted to walk the talk and hire people on the autism spectrum, the Autism Society Philippines, which I am part of, was happy to help. Nagkaroon ako ng quick kumustahan with Abby and Danny, their reading ambassadors on the autism spectrum. Nakakatuwang makita people doing meaningful work in a space that understands and supports them. Minsan nakala natin big ideas like inclusion need big, complicated efforts. Hindi naman. Ang disability inclusion, hindi pang one-time, big-time yan. Dapat integrated siya into your regular processes. Swabe lang. Pang-araw-araw, ika nga. A mall for all, building an autism-okay Philippines. Access to books, access to work, access to dignity. We need that. O, diba?
Meow meow.